All right, we've got Harbor Freight clearance. Why does it seem like it's zoomed in? Harbor Freight clearance. These are each $3 each. Harbor Freight is extremely annoying because all you have are these stickers, if they even put it on there, and they never update them. So you don't know what the price is. You can't check with the app. Everything's got to ask them. They got to scan it at the register, and it's really annoying. I would buy a ton more Harbor Freight stuff if they would just keep the damn receipts updated, or let their apps tell me what the damn price is. They had two more of these. I would have bought them all at $3. I didn't really notice what the price was until I was out of the store and I didn't feel like going back in. We'll go back another day. Because, well, these are worth $3. So are these. Another mini. I don't know we're going to do a mini. Mini's so cute, you know? So cute. He's got the usual Chinese black and red. So let's see what this is. Satisfaction guaranteed. Is that the name of the thing? Tractor Supply Company. Adjustable wrench. Slip joint. So these are slip joint? Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know what you would use mini ones of these for. Especially for a bolt that big. That's, you don't get much cranking on that. Anyhow. Let's see. Are these wobble? Well, I guess that doesn't really matter because you're using little tiny screws. That's not going to matter because you're not going to be dealing in a situation where stuff is tight as hell. Anyhow, once you get down into a little tight area, this is really grippy stuff. It's not going to be coming off without peeling it. Oh, this thing is real tight. We got our machining oil on there. You can just barely get it into the wider area. And these got a lot of oil on them. This one, these have to be worked. All right, there we go. Okay. Oh, now they're loose. There we go. They don't feel like junk. Oh wow. Well, you know, it's for little applications. You shouldn't be able to break these using it for like something like these type of things. You could snap all this crap in here trying to tighten it too tight. But that would be for like bigger nuts. This is tiny stuff. So that's cool. It's cool for $3. Tight enough. So this is what's in here. A T-drive, a universal socket, bit slotted. Did I get the UPC for the whiners? Oh, that matters. Part number. And this one. Goggles, buddy. Let's see. The plastic is extending all over there. Oopsies. So this is one of these things. Adjust to all. And people try to charge $3 just for one of these. So you go in 7mm up to 19mm, 1/4 up to 3/4. I've never really used one of these. Because if you're going to be using it for the small one, it's too big to fit in the area that you're going to use it usually. That's my observation. So you're getting one of these, which is pretty cool. Stupid me, I don't know how to lock that in there. I could have swore that was locked in there. Is it just a magnet? Huh. I could have swore that was locked in. Oh well. Well, seems cool. You definitely got, a lot of torque on that. Oh. My stupid mind says that's worth $3. Does it say which torques these are? Oh, it's right here. What do you mean slotted? Or screwdriver, yeah, whatever. T15, T20, T25. PH1, PH2, PH3. So T20, T25. I already have all these bits anyway. So that's pretty cool.